Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can make logo transparent. Once you have opened your project in Canva, then upload your logo photo. I have already uploaded. Then just click on the photo. Now you can see this is JPG image. It's not transparent, so let's make it transparent. First click on the image, and then on the top left corner here you can see edit photo. Just click on that. Now here you can see BG remover. So now we are going to remove the background using BG remover, this extension. This is very powerful extension. Just click on this. Now it will be automatically removed from our logo. So now our logo is completely transparent. Now you can change the background color, you can change any color. So this is how you can make logo transparent in Canva. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.